Hello everybody, welcome to this installment of our Alert Manager Enterprise tutorials. Today we will be focusing on the AME rule and notification engine. This tutorial will be slightly different in that it will be covered in two parts. In this first installment, we will talk generally about the rule and notification engines, where they live within AME architecture, and how you can interface with the engines to implement some of your use cases. In the second part, in another video, we will be implementing our own rules to drive automation and enrichments of events within AME. So here we will be setting up a new rule as well as a notification template to drive the enhancements we want to implement in our workflow. The rule and notification engines were introduced in AME version 3 to build a general framework for customers to model event state automation in their workflows. A diagram around the architecture should provide for more context. So here's a lot to digest here. Let's break it down into a few parts. The rule and notification engines operate independently on events that can also be used in unison. As an alert enters into the system, the rule engine is engaged. This is true for new events as well as those where an event already exists and the alert is appended to the existing event. With the rule engine, you can define sets of rules that operate on events based on an easy-to-use graphical user interface, which we can see here. These rules can be defined to evaluate fields within the event or metadata associated with the event, and based on these perform updates to the event or actions via the notification engine. The notification engine in turn can be used to start worker processes to perform external notifications or even actions. And these engines are modular in that they support abstraction between the notification mechanism as well as the notification messages. Engines are available for email, Slack, Teams, as well as generic webhooks using HTTP GET and POST, as well as Splunk alert actions. And the last one is really important to note, as standard Splunk alert actions can be wired up to AME. So the existing alert actions that you have in your environment or those you get from Splunk base can be used as targets for the notification engine in AME. A large number of add-ons are already available, and these can be used as you see fit. We also support the definition of templates for interfacing with human and non-human systems. Messages can be constructed from a template that allows to define structured and unstructured text, as can be seen here. Users can draft messages with information populated from within AME events using the popular Jinja 2 template syntax. In this way, you can use the template engine to create JSON, XML, HTML content that you can be used to send to your third-party system. Thank you for joining us today, and we will be looking forward to follow up with an implementation on how you can set up your own rule.